How to use Viber scheduled messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Then click on My Notes at the top. After you're in My Notes, simply type in the message you want to schedule. Then press on Send. After it's sent, hold on to the message and you'll find Set Reminder. Click on Set Reminder and select the date you want to schedule the message for and the time as well. After you've done that, press on Save. Then, reminder will be sent with the message to you to send the message. Now, after you get the reminder, you can simply go to the chat and send that person the same chat you have added reminder of. For now, this is the only option to schedule Viber messages, but if you have a business account, you might have an option, or you can also use other automated message services on your device. This is how to use Viber scheduled messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.